What is up, everyone? Today is a good day. I'm very excited to get working on the bus. Just went and picked her up from storage. So I do not keep my bus where I live. I store my bus at a place way southeast of me. It's about a 20, maybe 25-minute drive. So on the weekends, on Saturdays mainly, I go down there. I go down and pick it up and bring it here, and then lately I've been dropping it back off Saturday evening because I work on Sundays. So yeah, I'm at like 1 day a week that I can work on it right now, which is it's fine. It is what it is. So we are waiting for sheet metal to come in. The guy that's going to help me weld this stuff ordered the sheet metal. So right now we're working on getting the sidewalls, at least the screws out of the sidewalls, and then we're going to take the ceiling panels down today. And then I will start to clean the floor up. So wire brushing it, and then I'm going to paint it with chassis saver. So yeah, we've got work that we can do while we're waiting for the sheet metal to come in and while we're waiting to get stuff welded. So that is what I'm doing today. I think that's it. Yeah. We found a really cool method, kind of between me thinking that angle grinding just straight into the screw head would like at least make the screw be able to break off, plus my dad's ingenuity of using a flathead in it. So we have found that if I angle grind a straight line through the screw head or down into the screw head, we can use a flathead screwdriver for the drill and the screw comes right out. So yay for awesome tips and tricks. Okay, bye.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. Found holes in these walls. We like what we saw.
And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, hollow and soul, Lucifer, in the breeze.
Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. Oh, when I was trapped, you showed an open we danced, we fought. We were bound to make mistakes. Real love, we thought. But it was always on fire. Our house, our dreams. We were dancing on wire, reckless it seemed. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain.
we are done for the day. We got the entire ceiling removed, and that feels really good. We figured out some really cool techniques for getting screws out that were stripped. I'll share that with you. And we just learned a lot along the way. We also ended up switching to a different drill bit that made getting the screws out of the ceiling way easier. So it was all in all an extremely successful day. It went a lot faster than I thought it was going to. And the damn thing is basically stripped besides the sidewalls needing to come out, which we will take out once the windows get re-put back in. So yeah, it's good. This is a good day. So whoop.